Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen, and it's Rog here once again, where today I'm going to be cooking one of my all-time favourite meals. It's a one-pot mince hot pot, full of flavour, great for the wintry conditions that we've got at the moment. It's easy to make, it's cheap to make. While you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little button, press that little bell, and you can see all of my future videos and the old ones from the past too. So without further ado, let's crack on. We'll start with the ingredients as usual. Here I've got a 500 gram pack of mince. This is 20% fat, this one, but you can choose whichever one you want. Here are the vegetables. I've got 2 medium sized carrots chopped up and 2 sticks of celery chopped up the same size. Some cherry tomatoes and some shallots that have been peeled. And here are the spices. 1 heaped teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and this is my secret ingredient, a teaspoon of Marmite, 2 tablespoons full of tomato puree, and some garlic paste, about 1 tablespoonful, and some stock, a good beef stock, about half a pint. So let's make a start with the cooking. I've got a pan on the hob. It's got a medium heat under it. In there I'll go with a drop of cooking oil and a hefty knob of butter. We're going to let this melt down, so yeah, I'll see you in a bit. In we go with the shallots. I'm going to put these all in and just let them cook down just a little bit. I do love shallots, they've got a lovely sweetness to them. So we're going to stir those around for a little while, let them take in the vegetable oil and the butter. Once they're bubbling away, we can go in with the veg. And as you can see, they're cut down into quite small pieces. I guess about 1/4 of an inch, something like that. Nice little chunks. We're going to stir these in, get them going as well. Get them fried off just a little bit, not too much. Then we can go in with the mince. Straight out of the packet, it goes in a great big lump, so best to break it up with a fork, I think. Sometimes you use 2 forks, but this is doing fine. So I'm going to break all that up. And of course, we're going to keep this cooking until all the redness has gone. And it's going to be looking like this. Nice brown colour, cooked right through. Cooked, but hasn't quite got the texture or the flavour that we want just yet. And when it's nicely cooked down, we'll put our stock in there. It's just stock cube stock, quite easy to make up. In we go with a hefty squirt of our tomato puree and the garlic, of course, lazy garlic, out of a tube, dead easy. Then we can go in with our spices and our Marmite. Give these a nice stir, make sure it's all mixed in and get those flavours really incorporated, because I'm telling you guys, this is going to be such a tasty dish and so easy to do. On with the lid, and we're going to let this simmer away for about 40 minutes. There it is, bubbling away really nicely, so flavoursome, and I wish you could smell this. Smell-o-vision, that's what we want. In we go with our tomatoes. Give these a stir around, and of course we're going to pop the lid back on. And cook these for about another 15 minutes. Until they start to break up a little bit, not too much, we don't want them mixed right in. We want those flavours to come sailing through. And when my cooking time is up, I'm going to serve this up with freshly boiled potatoes. Just on the side there, they'll absorb all those lovely juices. That's beautiful, isn't it? It looks great. Anyway, time to plate up, and here's what we've got. Perfect dish for any evening, weekend, whenever you would like to eat it. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a share, that would be fantastic. And I'm so looking forward to seeing you all again in the next video. So take care and bye for now.